Okay, next problem from variation of parameters, higher order differential equations. The given problem is like this: d square plus 1 into y is equal to cosecant x. We have to find the general solution for this differential equation by using variation of parameters. So this is our problem. So for that purpose, first of all, we have to write the auxiliary equation for this differential equation. The auxiliary equation AE is here d square plus 1. That means we can write the auxiliary equation is like this: m square plus 1 is equal to 0. Just replace d with m. Okay, so that is the procedure. So next we have to find the value of m here. M square is equal to transposing 1 to right side, it become minus 1, and from this we can write m as like this: plus or minus square root of minus 1, and therefore m is equal to plus or minus I. Here I means root of minus 1, which is called imaginary root. Okay, so we get the roots for m as purely imaginary. There is no real part here. These are completely imaginary. Okay, therefore the complementary function is like this. The complementary function here, two roots are there, therefore we take two constants c1 and c2. c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So this is the complementary function for this differential equation. So using this complementary function, we can write the general solution. Okay, therefore general solution can be written as like this: y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x. Okay, so using this complementary function, we have to write this: replace c1 with a and c2 with b. So y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x is the general solution of this differential equation. Now we have to find the values of a and b, which are the functions of x here. Okay, here a and b are the functions of x, we have to calculate that. Okay, using variation of parameters. Okay, so for that we have to choose three values like this. U is equal to this cos x can be taken as u, and sin x can be taken as v, and this cosecant x can be taken as r. So to find the values of a and b, we need these three values u, v, r. So using variation of parameters, we have to write the formula for a is like this: minus integral v r dx by u dv by dx minus v du by dx. Okay, so this is the formula to find the value of a. Now let us substitute the values. A, that is equal to minus integral v means sin x, into r means cosecant x dx by u dv by dx minus v du by dx. U means cos x, u means cos x into dv by dx. That means we have to differentiate v. Derivative of sin x means we get cos x only. Cos x minus v means sin x, and derivative of u, that means derivative of cos minus sin. So v means sin x, derivative of u, derivative of cos gives minus sin, plus integration constant. Okay, c1. So that is equal to minus, here sin x into cosecant x. So both are reciprocals. Cosecant x means 1 by sin, whereas sin x means 1 by cosecant. Okay, so both are cancelled to each other, both are reciprocals. That means we have to cancel each other. Okay, so integral dx by cos into cos square x, minus into minus plus sin into sin square x, plus c1. So we know that this is the first principle of trigonometry: cos square plus sin square x, which is always equal to 1. It is an identity. So totally we get minus integral dx plus c1. Therefore a is equal to minus integral dx means it is nothing but x plus c1. Okay. So finally this is the value of a. Next b is equal to, using variation of parameters, integral u r dx by u dv by dx minus v du by dx, okay, plus c2. Okay, let us substitute the values. Okay, continuation. b is equal to integral u means cos x, r means cosecant x by u means cos x into dv by dx, that means derivative of sin x, which is equal to cos x minus v means sin x into derivative of u, that means derivative of cos, which is minus sin x dx plus integration constant c2 for b. Okay, so cos into cosecant x means 1 by sin x, we can write it as by cos into cos square minus into minus plus sin into sin square dx plus c2. So cos by sin means what we get? Cot x. So integral cot x by, totally this is equal to 1 plus c2. Cos square x plus sin square x means it is an identity which is equal to 1. So integral cot x dx means what is the formula? Log mod sin x plus c2. Okay, so this is the value of b. Now therefore general solution is y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x. Let us substitute the values. Y is equal to, a means minus x plus c1 into cos x plus b means log mod sin x plus c2 into sin x. So finally the general solution is like this: minus first of all write c1 cos x, write the complementary function c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. First of all write these two terms which are the complementary function, and then minus x cos x plus sin x into log mod of sin x, sin x into log mod of sin x. So finally this is the general solution for the given differential equation. Thank you.